Hi, little chef. This is how I provision as a chef on a yacht. This summer, the yacht trip is a little over 2 months. I do all of my provisionings out of Miami because the grocery stores in the Bahamas aren't that reliable. So just to give you an idea of how much food comes on board, I'll provision the boat with about 600 pounds of meat. And that's just the meat. So this is my provisioning Excel file. Everything that's gray and crossed through is already on the boat. Those are my dry goods that I got on board early. The red highlighted words are what's coming from Costco. The yellow is going to be coming from a local grocery store in Miami. Green is from Publix. And blue is from a local liquor store in Miami. So I use Instacart to get all of my provisions on board. It's super simple. They bring it right to the boat and I don't have to worry about going to pick it up because these are massive orders. As you can see, I'm just scrolling through my Instacart order. It's a lot of food. On board, we have 3 box freezers and then 2 normal home freezers. And we also have 2 refrigerators. Crossing my fingers that we have enough room. Fresh produce goes bad in about a week and a half. So that's when we go into the islands and see what the grocery store has to offer. Usually it's cucumbers, iceberg lettuce, if you're lucky.